What's going on, boys? So I'm just going to be doing a quick little daily recap of yesterday. So going into the day, high time frame, if you look, okay, let me make this a little bigger, but the 4 hour yesterday was really bearish. Okay, so overall coming down, delivering out of this gap, putting in lower lows, and we had a nice low to aim for on the hourly right here. So overall structure was bearish, delivering out of this hourly gap as well. So I really wanted to see shorts. However, going into market open, we were like around here. So I was like, okay, there is a chance we come up, take this high after we push a London high. Anyways, let me go down to the 1 minute now. Just to focus on my hand. All right, cool. Yeah, this is market open just here. All right, so market opens, we come down, and then we start pushing higher. We start really displacing through this hourly gap, displacing past the London high. So I was like, okay, maybe we do go and deliver to this next high here. Once we got to this point here, I was like, okay, I really want to see a retrace, and we had formed a 5 minute gap around here. So if we just got like a normal retrace starting from around here, holy fuck, okay, like a normal retrace like that, and then got a strong flip, yeah, I would have thought about taking the trade because we've clearly invalidated this opposing hourly, disrespected the bearish structure high time frame, and gotten some strong displacement towards a high. So I would have taken that. Unfortunately though, well, not unfortunately, but what price ended up doing was selling off really aggressively. And after all this movement and after chopping up here, I had absolutely zero conviction in longs. What we then started doing was respecting bearish structure. So we came up, retrace into a 1 minute gap, respected this place lower. Then we retrace again, respect it. I wanted to get an entry around here. However, placed my stop there, targeting this hourly low. But this candle moves so fast and I really didn't want to bottom blast that. So I didn't get an entry. And unfortunately I was pretty distracted yesterday while I was trading, which kind of sucks. But literally, if we look at the 5 minute, we'd sold off so aggressively. And then if we look at the hourly, this is what the hourly was looking like. We had wicked down, we were like around here. There was absolutely nowhere else for us to go higher. We had respected this hourly gap, following along with normal structure, and we had a nice draw lower. So it was really clean. Well, not clean, but like really obvious where price was going to deliver to. I just couldn't find a safe entry. Looking back at it though, I mean, I definitely could have taken something like this, played my stop up here, targeting down there, or yeah, I mean that's pretty much the only entry I see. Or it's that these are the only two entries, and yeah, because mid candle you would have had to have been so fucking quick, but is what it is. At least I read the high time frame structure well, didn't FOMO into any longs, and I identified that we had flipped bearish, used high time frame logic and everything to try and find a short opportunity, but just didn't come. And pretty much when this candle was printing, I was fucking on my Discord, which was retarded. Anyways, so that's pretty much the day. Really didn't want to see longs. Then after we started selling off, I had complete conviction we'd go lower because we had nothing else to deliver to. Started displacing, putting in bearish structure. However, I just couldn't find a good entry point. So yeah, hopefully you boys managed to capitalize on today, and I hope that yeah, fuck, I lost my train of thought. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. Decent day. Unfortunately, I just couldn't capitalize, couldn't find a safe entry. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm not opening my Discord while I'm trading. And I'm just going to continue focusing on the high time frame narrative and only involving myself with price when we're getting displacing price action like this and when the draw is obvious. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys, and I wish you all the best.